Are you wondering which AI tool has the best video editing features between Pictory and Magisto? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into both Pictory and Magisto, and we'll break down their video editing capabilities to see which one really stands out. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be revealing an alternative that might just blow both of them out of the water. Let's start with Pictory, a tool that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. It's known for its easy-to-use interface and powerful AI-powered text-to-video feature. You can turn your blog posts or scripts into engaging videos quickly. It's great for marketers or content creators looking to repurpose their existing content into videos. Next, one of the strongest points of Pictory is its automation. You can input a script or an article, and Pictory will automatically highlight key moments, select relevant footage, and even add captions. This makes it perfect for creators with a lot of content but limited time to edit. However, Pictory isn't without its downsides. The editing features, while convenient, lack the depth you may find in more advanced editing software. For example, there's limited control over transitions and fine-tuning visuals. If you're someone who wants to get really granular with your edits, you might feel a bit restricted here. Now, let's talk about Magisto. Magisto is another AI-powered video editing tool that promises to make video creation quick and simple. It's a favorite for those looking for fast, social media-friendly video content. With Magisto, you don't need to be an editing expert. The AI automatically analyzes your footage, selects the best parts, and creates a polished video in just a few clicks. The main strength of Magisto is its ability to produce high-quality videos quickly, and it shines in the social media marketing space. It's really well suited for people who need to churn out content fast, but don't have a lot of time to invest in learning editing. However, the downside is similar to Pictory, limited customization. If you're looking to create something highly specific or personalized, Magisto may not give you the flexibility you're after. You're essentially at the mercy of the AI's decisions, which is great for speed, but not for precision. Next thing, let's compare the pricing. Both tools offer subscription models, but with Pictory, you get more flexibility in terms of content length. On the other hand, Magisto can be more expensive, especially if you need access to higher-tier features. But here's the thing, while Pictory and Magisto each have their merits, both of them have their limitations. If you want advanced features, a bit more control over your edits, and better value for money, there's an alternative I've been trying out that surpasses both. I'm talking about insert competitor software. After trying Pictory and Magisto myself, this software has impressed me with its balance of AI-powered automation and manual editing controls. It offers a much more tailored experience, and you can do more with your videos without sacrificing speed. Now, I know you're probably wondering what this competitor offers that Pictory and Magisto don't. Well, the best part is that this tool gives you a higher degree of customization, all while maintaining an easy-to-use interface. Plus, there's a special benefit that you'll get by using my link in the description for an exclusive trial. In conclusion, Pictory and Magisto are both solid choices for anyone needing quick video editing tools. But if you're looking for something that balances speed with more advanced features, definitely check out the tool I mentioned. Take advantage of the free trial with the link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available to anyone else.